Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 115 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're attaching two of the rear wheels. Half of the rear wheels are going to be finished and attached, and we're getting our third one. Technology at its zenith. Zenith? I say zenith. I don't know. Is that the British way of saying it? Is American zenith? Probably. Farewell, Alfred. Did he say goodbye to Alfred? Don't know. Did Alfred go somewhere? Oh, yeah, it looks like he goes somewhere. That's not pleasant. That's not good at all. There we go. We'll say goodbye to Alfred later. Don't worry about that now. Yes, so we're getting another tyre, and then we're adding our left rear tyre to there, adding the outside one, fitting the outside rim that we got last time onto that, fitting it all together until it is attached like so. I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be good. And then we're basically starting the whole routine all over again. So let's clear this out of the way. I'm going to need to bring in the entire Batmobile as well. So I shall see you in just a sec. Yes, so what we've got is another tyre, which we're not doing anything with yet. So I'll move that well out of the way for now. What we're going to need to do is get that fitted onto our tumbler itself, which is ever big and ever heavy. So you've got the entire thing here. It's going on that post there. So somehow I'll try and get this like that. There we go. That's sort of attached. So that is going onto that axle. That's fairly smooth and easy to do. Then I've got to get the other bit attached onto there. And again, like we had the bits the right way round, it's sort of about there, but I can't quite tell exactly how that joins up now. So I'm going to have to re-angle things and get that worked out, and then we'll figure out without the rest of it. Right, I've got the entire thing here. You can just about see that wheel on the edge flopping around a bit because it won't fit up the right way on there. But before I can fit that in, we've got to put the little extra hubcappy things, the nuts, onto there, which is tricky because they're deep inside the wheel thing. So yeah, they're not actually going through anywhere else. So it doesn't really matter where everything lines up on the other bit. It's only this bit that sort of is here for the externals, because that just comes flush with that now. So I'll get those all in there. Yeah, I'll do that in a moment off screen. And then that is going to go onto there, over the post, with the other post coming through there, and that's going to line up. I'm going to get that lined up with the other 5 holes on there, just because I can, but you're not going to be able to see it anyway, so it doesn't really matter which way around that goes. In fact, yeah, I'm not going to worry about trying to get that lined up either, because it doesn't matter. Then I need the VM screw with the washer on it. On there, that then goes into the center and holds that onto the post, and then eventually that will pop over the middle piece as well. But I'll get all of those in, get that attached, and then we'll see about how it looks at the end. All right, there we go. That's that now on there, and it's getting harder and harder to find out places to pick this up and carry it around a bit. But the wheels are now both attached, looking good, lined up properly. The final part is to put the little cap over that screw that I've just put in there. So that goes on there just like so. And now we've got that looking pretty good. It's going to be difficult to move around now because it's even heavier. And until the other wheels get put on, it's going to be all sort of out of whack. But I like that quite a lot. Yeah, I shall see you for more very, very soon. Next time, yeah, we're going to be putting the other wheel together. We've got the hubcap coming, I think. So I'll see you for that shortly. I'll get this well out of the way now. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.